How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about how to change your YouTube banner and YouTube profile pictures at the same time. Now, changing your YouTube profile pictures and banner picture can really make your YouTube looks really cool and spectacular. Now, for most new YouTubers, it can be they can feel a little confusing. Therefore, we're going to be showing you that new up-to-date process in this 2022. Now, if you want to change your pictures, the very first thing that you want to do, you need to have a YouTube application on your iPhone or Android. Quickly after that, just go ahead and open up your YouTube application and make sure you're just connected with your Google account. And after that, just go ahead and tap on your channel. Now from there, it's going to show you this option. Now go ahead and tap on this pen icon, which is over here. And now it's going to give you this option. First one basically for your profile picture, so you can simply change it from here. You can either take a picture or you can choose it from your photos. So I'm going to choose this picture, for example. Then I'll tap on save. And now if you want to change the banner, then you're going to see this option, which is so-called the camera icon. Tap on there. It's going to give you exactly the same option. Tap on choose from photos, and from here just simply choose the picture that you want to set. Okay, so here you have to actually choose how much you actually want to use in the back. So I'm going to just crop it and I'll tap on save here, and in a moment later you're going to be able to see your pictures is going to be up to date just like that on your YouTube channel. However, there are other things that you can work on: name, policy, and description. You also can add them from here if you want. So this is the basic works that you guys need to do if you want to change your profile pictures and the banner pictures on your iPhone or your Android. Hope you find this video useful. If it's so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.